Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your smartphone to your 2022 through 2024 GMC Sierra. Obviously this will work on those. It'll also work on the Chevrolet Silverados. So number one, you need a smartphone. We have that. And we're going to go right here on the screen to phone and then manage phones. We're going to select add phone, and it's going to give you instructions on the screen as to what to do. And while I'm doing this with an Apple iPhone, it's going to be the same thing with an Android device, but we'll just use what we have today. So we're going to select My GMC as it tells us to do right here, and we're going to hit pair on the phone. I'm going to also hit pair right there. I will hit allow on the phone. We'll let this happen. And notice I'm doing this wirelessly, so you don't have to worry about using a USB cable. We're going to push allow right there. Now you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto here if you wish to use that. You can go into options right here if you need to. Notice it's already on Apple CarPlay, so that's no problem. That's done. And let me show you one more thing in case you want to disconnect your phone. You can see how I got to this screen. We hit disconnect. It's going to ask for verification ultimately. And there we go. I've disconnected my phone. So it's that simple. If you want to connect your iPhone or your Android device, you go in and that's how you do it. Very simple to do. If you have any other tutorials you would like to see me feature, let me know what they are. Let me know what vehicles they're on, and I will do my best to make that happen for you. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.